We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw, 12-ounce, kids stainless steel vacuum insulated water bottle with lid, Avengers Edition. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw is a standout in the world of children's hydration products, combining durability, insulation, and kid-friendly design in a compact, attractive package. With over 32,000 ratings and an impressive average of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it is clear that families across the globe trust this bottle for their children's daily needs. The Funtainer line is known for its vibrant, licensed character prints, and the Avengers Edition is no exception, featuring eye-catching graphics that appeal to young fans and make hydration fun. One of the most praised features of this bottle is its vacuum insulation technology, which keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours. Parents consistently report that even after hours in a hot car or sitting outside during school activities, the water remains refreshingly cold. This performance is a direct result of the double-wall stainless steel construction, which not only maintains temperature but also resists condensation and prevents the bottle from feeling cold to the touch. The insulation is so effective that ice added in the morning can often still be found at the end of the day, a detail that many parents highlight as a major advantage over plastic alternatives. The 12-ounce capacity is designed with children in mind. It strikes a balance between being large enough to provide sufficient hydration for a school day or an outing, yet small and light enough for little hands to hold comfortably. The bottle's dimensions, at 2.7 inches wide and 6.9 inches tall, make it easy to fit into standard backpack pockets and stroller cup holders. This size is also well suited for toddlers and young children, ensuring they can independently carry and use the bottle without assistance. Ease of use is another area where the Funtainer excels. The push-button lid is intuitive for children, allowing them to open the bottle with minimal effort. The integrated carry handle features a soft touch grip, making it comfortable for kids to transport their bottle between activities. The lid design also includes a hygienically covered pop-up straw, which helps keep germs away when the bottle is not in use. Parents appreciate that the straw is removable, making cleaning straightforward and thorough. While the bottle is top-rack dishwasher safe, many users recommend hand washing to preserve the vibrant graphics and extend the life of the bottle. Durability is a recurring theme in user feedback. The high-quality 18/8 stainless steel construction is built to withstand the drops, bumps, and rough handling typical of young children. Many parents report that the bottle survives repeated falls without denting or losing functionality. The lid and straw components are also robust, though some users note that the lid can occasionally detach if the bottle is dropped from a significant height. Fortunately, reattaching the lid is simple and does not affect the bottle's performance. The spill-proof design is another highlight. The secure flip-top cap and locking mechanism ensure that the bottle does not leak when closed, even when tossed into a backpack or left on its side. However, it is important to note that if the lid is left open, spills can occur, particularly due to the air hole in the straw mechanism. Most parents find that as long as the lid is properly closed, leaks are not an issue. This reliability gives parents peace of mind when sending the bottle to school or on trips. The Funtainer is also praised for its ease of cleaning. The straw, mouthpiece, and lid can all be disassembled for thorough washing, which is essential for maintaining hygiene, especially when the bottle is used daily. Some parents mention that the straw mechanism requires a bit of extra attention to ensure it is completely clean. But overall, the process is much simpler than with many competing products. The bottle does not retain odors, even after extended use, which is a significant advantage over plastic bottles that can develop lingering smells. Aesthetically, the Funtainer stands out with its wide range of licensed character designs. Whether your child is a fan of Avengers, Disney princesses, Super Mario, Peppa Pig, or Bluey, there is likely a Funtainer to match their interests. The graphics are vibrant and durable, with many users reporting that the prints do not scratch or fade even after months of regular use and washing. This visual appeal encourages children to stay hydrated, as they are excited to use a bottle featuring their favorite characters. Parents also appreciate the value for money offered by the Funtainer. The combination of high-quality materials, reliable insulation, and attractive design makes it a worthwhile investment, especially when compared to cheaper plastic alternatives that may need frequent replacement. The bottle's durability and performance mean that it can be used year-round for school, sports, travel, and everyday activities. Despite its many strengths, the Funtainer is not without minor drawbacks. Some users mention that the bottle is slightly heavier than plastic options, which may be noticeable for very young children. However, most agree that the added weight is a small trade-off for the superior insulation and durability provided by stainless steel. Additionally, the bottle is not suitable for hot liquids, as specified by the manufacturer. This limitation is clearly communicated, and the bottle is designed specifically for keeping cold drinks chilled. Another point raised by some parents is the need to periodically replace the straw and mouthpiece, especially with frequent use. Replacement parts are available and the process is straightforward, but it is an additional maintenance consideration. A few users also note that the bottle's base can become scratched over time, particularly if it is dragged across rough surfaces. However, these cosmetic blemishes do not affect the bottle's functionality. The THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw is ideal for a variety of settings, including school, daycare, sports, picnics, and travel. Its compact size and spill-proof design make it easy to pack in lunchboxes or backpacks, and the integrated handle is convenient for carrying on the go. The bottle's insulation ensures that children have access to cold, refreshing water throughout the day, which is especially important during hot weather or outdoor activities. Parents consistently report that their children love using the Funtainer. The excitement of having a bottle featuring beloved characters, combined with the ease of use and reliable performance, makes it a favorite among kids and adults alike. The bottle's design encourages independence, as children can open, close, and drink from it without assistance. This autonomy is particularly valuable for school-aged children who need to manage their own hydration during the day. In summary, the THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw stands out as a top choice for families seeking a reliable, durable, and kid-friendly hydration solution. Its superior insulation keeps drinks cold for hours. The stainless steel construction withstands daily wear and tear, and the spill-proof, easy-to-clean design meets the practical needs of busy families. The wide range of character designs adds a fun, personalized touch that children love. While there are minor considerations such as weight and the need for occasional replacement parts, these are outweighed by the bottle's many benefits. If you are looking for a water bottle that combines performance, durability, and visual appeal, the Funtainer is an excellent option. It has earned the trust of thousands of families and continues to receive high marks for quality and functionality. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for considering the THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw for your child's hydration needs.